Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for My Files app. You can enter My Files app provided by Google or provided by OPPO. Let's enter the My Files app. And thanks to this app, you've got access to your internal storage, WhatsApp, downloads, OPPO Share, Bluetooth, private save, and recently deleted. Also, you can go to Recents. If you go to app provided by Google, you've got also access to Nearby Share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files, and also Clean feature, thanks to which you can clean junk files from your tab. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.